All right guys, so we're back at the car wash. Customer complaint that the vending machine's not working. Let's take a look and see what's going on. So I'm sure you guys can see what's wrong with this vending machine. It's time for a replacement. All right guys, so we got a new vending machine here. Let's get this puppy unboxed. All right guys, so we got it unboxed. It's a brand new Kleen-View, beautiful stainless steel, glass window, and we got a bill acceptor, coins, and CryptoPay. That way a customer can pay any way they want. All right guys, so let's get this thing out of the wall. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna cut this caulk where it's been caulked in. All right, that's done. All right guys, so we're back inside. We're gonna take off the two angle brace holding brackets, one on this side, one on the other side. I believe it's a total of 6 bolts there. We're gonna get that off and then we'll be ready to slide this out of the wall. All right guys, so let's get this thing out of the wall. Just remember, it might not just slide out with that caulk on there. That's why we cut that caulk line. It's also an adhesive, so that's kind of gonna seal that up for you, but it's also gonna seal it to the wall. So you might need a pry bar, you might not. We're just going to let it pendulum down. All right guys, so we got the hole ready. We're going to get ready here to install the new machine. We got our 2 L brackets and then instructions. We'll need those. Some extra parts here and our hardware. First thing we're going to worry about is really just getting this slid in the wall and getting it fastened in place. Then we'll move on to making sure all the other details are taken care of. Yep.
Hold on his finger.
All right guys, we got it slid through the wall. We're going to get the mounting bracket on. Remember, the slots go against the machine. That gives you your adjustability to keep it tight against the wall. So with the supplied hardware, there's 2 sets of holes here. We're going to use the holes closest. The second set of holes would be if your wall is twice as thick and you needed a little bit more room there for the bracket. So we'll just get those 3 screws started. Now we are seated up tight against the wall. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to push this bracket tight and just tighten those down just a little bit to make sure that's held in place till we get everything leveled up. All right guys, so we're going to install the rear locking bar assembly. So we have the locking tab bar itself and then the actual door T locking bar. First thing we're going to do is we're going to install this locking tabs. You're going to find your 2 pan head screws and your 2 nylock nuts, and we're going to go ahead and install that bar. Now you can see that this is bent to fit snug up against the side of the cabinet. So we're just going to slide that through. Get that nut started. I'm going to slide that drawer back a little bit so I can get my hand in there. Get that second one started. And we're just going to lock them down. All right, we're going to install the T-bar now. You're going to have a shoulder bolt, a conical spring, and a flat plastic washer for this bar to glide on. So what we're gonna do is swing around back to the front, slide this guy open, and what we're looking for is this rib nut right here. That rib nut is where this slide T-bar attaches to. So after we get this installed, you'll be able to see that these two, the T grab bar grabs the inside of that door and will lock that closed. So we just want to make sure when we put this T-bar in that this grab section is faced towards the outside of the machine or the outside wall of the machine. So just like this, we're going to take this, slide that back through, and then go ahead and install. Now those two slip together, slide that shut, we'll grab our locking tab, you'll be able to slide that through and add your own lock. All right guys, so all we need to do yet is caulk the outside, and we need to fasten this, our two L brackets that actually hold the machine and the wall fast to the wall that it's coming through. So we're fastening to a brick wall here, so I'm going to run some tap cons with fender washers through these 3 pre-drilled holes on that L bracket. Now remember, loosen your side bolts that hold the bracket to the machine, fasten it to the wall, and then retighten your bracket to the machine. All right guys, that's going to wrap it up. We went from this to this brand new beautiful Kleen-View. If you have any questions about vending or vending related products, let us know. Drop a comment down below or give us a call at Kleen-Rite and we'll help you out. And stay tuned for the next video where I program this.